All right, go ahead and get out your big old grammar page. We're going to finish this page up and finish doing 4, 5, and 6. And then you'll be done with this page this week. So let's get it done, boys and girls. Box number 4 says, underline the possessive noun, circle the owner of the noun. So we have two things we have to do here. We're going to be underlining a word and we're going to be circling a word. So again, the possessive noun, okay, is the noun that somebody owns. Okay, somebody owns this thing, all right? And in this case, it's really going to state the noun. We're not talking about pronouns anymore, okay? So somebody owns the noun, all right? Somebody owns something. Now, we also need to circle the owner of that noun. So who shows owner? Whose thing, whose item does that belong to? So let's do the first one together. Joe's shoes are on the table. Well, there's a couple nouns here. Table is a noun, okay? Don't mark this on your paper yet. And shoes are a noun. And Joe's is a noun. Joe is a person, right? So shoes is a thing we can touch. Table is something we can touch. They're both things, all right? Now, we need to find something in this sentence that somebody owns, all right? Joe's shoes are on the table. Does it show that somebody in this sentence owns the table? Does it tell us that? No, it does not. So let's take a look at the second noun that we underlined. Joe's shoes. Does somebody own the shoes? Do the shoes belong to somebody? They do. So we're going to underline. Don't do this underline. My board's messing up again. So we don't want to underline the table, we want to underline shoes. So everybody underline shoes there, okay? Now, who owns the shoes? Who owns those shoes? Joe owns the shoes. Because we have an apostrophe S here, that also tells us that it's ownership. So we're going to circle the owner of those shoes, and that's Joe, okay? Again, apostrophe S is a freebie. It tells us the answer pretty much that is who owns the shoes. Number 2, do you have Bob's phone? Well, I just told you an automatic answer to find the owner. So who is the owner in this sentence? Do you have Bob's phone? Circle the owner first this time. Go ahead. Joe was the owner here because it said apostrophe S. Do you have Bob's phone? Circle the owner in sentence 2. Now, what does Bob own? Do you have Bob's phone? Underline the possessive noun. And sentence 3, Ben's dog is barking loudly. Again, circle the owner of the noun first. Circle the owner who owns something. And then what does that person own? Underline it. And then we'll go over the answers. So let's look at number 2. Do you have Bob's phone? We're going to circle the owner first. Bob's is the owner. Bob is the owner of something. Apostrophe S, that shows ownership. It's a freebie, a cheat sheet pretty much, just by that apostrophe S being there. But what does Bob own? Bob owns the phone. So we're going to underline phone. Number 3, Ben's dog is barking loud. Who's the owner? Ben's, because it's apostrophe S, Ben's. But what does Ben own? What belongs to him? The dog belongs to him, okay? And notice how the owner and the possessive noun always come right next to each other. Now, that might not happen in every single sentence, but a lot of times they're right next to each other, which is very helpful too. Number 5, circle the word that completes the sentence. Sophie is blank with her doll. I went over this word on another sheet, how it's very important for us. Sophie is blank with her doll. Go ahead and answer. Played, playing, plays. Played, playing, plays. Make sure your sentence makes sense with your word that you chose. So would we say, Sophie is played with her doll? Sophie is playing with her doll? Sophie is plays with her doll. What did you circle? Sophie is playing. Playing. It's happening right now. In box number 6, circle the words that have a long E vowel sound. So listen, they have to say E in the word. Let's take a look at the first picture. Monkey. Circle it if it says E. Monkey. Number 2. Web. Web. Does it say E? Web. The third picture. Tent. 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 Money. 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 And the last one, jersey. Jersey. Circle the words with long E sounds. Go ahead, I'll give you a few seconds. And let's go over your answers. You should have circled monkey. Hear the E sound? How about web? Did you circle web? No, that's short E. We don't want that. We want E. How about tent? Tent. No, that's another short E sound. How about money? Money. We have another winner there. And how about the word jersey? Jersey. Jersey. We have another winner. It says E. All right, boys and girls, you're done with your word work and grammar for the week. Awesome job. You're almost done through the week, and guess what? Thursday is your last math day of the week. You have no math on Friday, so you get a shortened Friday of assignments as well. So you're almost there. Keep working hard for me, and you're doing a fantastic job. I'll see you soon.